enti aboa bi aka wo aboa kɛseɛ bi pa bɛka wo wa anya sim kuma na Jantuah na fe de opa akyɛ na Jantuah so srɛ mo NPP mo mfa nkyɛ Afenyo Markin unu nua mo mfa nkyɛ ebize enra okofa Maame Dufie betena ne show ne so ema Maame Dufie be kasa man se no kan ne de o di Afenyo Markin attempt for questioning Bank of Ghana and Gold Board on the alleged IMF $1.7 billion loss on the DGPP no Maame Dufie say on Thursday the Afenyo Markin ebusa ho question ti no Nana Jantuah go for Maame Dufie betena ne show ne so ahemfie FM so be di Afenyo Markin NPP for that time ema Nana Jantuah kra sa kan mu otu mu nkyene ba na no say there be some no kan wan kan ye it no odi a chelpa abre MP for no wasa kra boaku for about so ewo agena 111 eno ho medwedwa mu amata se no akere wadwen e de amame ewo comment section any day class best for that roma obe mi subscribe button so na obe turn bell notification icon on for latest update e ya no akere wadwen ewo comment section ho no share amonu so enye ahweme kan for NGX limited ene de amount ye tunsuo botan mu akwawe so ye bedwa akotunsuo no e de amount ade bi afa electrical engineering and chemical engineering who be ade NGX eye bi eye solar panel ye install power plant just ade bi afa engineering who be ade ye bi omu ase ho no mo plumbing say ye lay pipe wasi abrosai o person o shower o person e bia NGX eye so ade nyina e de kan omu anwuma ho ye say treating suo since when sent abemu the taste asesa eni aye fi aye day for NGX omu number no eni gwa se Ghana baby abefri bia de omeba abedu ujuma no e de am omonu mbo so e for pa obeka se Penyah e kan ye. Let's go to the story. Ebusi ayo krom heye ana IMF wo e de Ghana sene ye niema esi call ye 2025 omdo ho amanebo e betu ye nim na ye kohwem na se on the DGPP program na running for 2025 no e domestic gold purchase program no ya boka to the sum of $1.7 billion ni nyina ne se Bank of Ghana ayenhye bi se ye to gold aboa no de bi ekeep in a reserve 1 near de bi akwa gold for oil 2 na fe de bi akowura ye forex market honomo e dey stabilize the economy what I say they say enema mensa we anana Bank of Ghana under the DGPP program na ye running no na all the gold hu dwade ni bia na e share gold board on 2025 ni mo the gold board became the gold marketing agent for Bank of Ghana under the DGPP. The Bank of Ghana finance gold board. Now gold board adwaman according to gold. Asa akoton e de aba na ebi so the gold bi aba na keep in a reserve. Bank of Ghana in public accounts. Yearly annual accounts. Oh we say waboka no or the data ni bi akoma IMF. Bank of Ghana kra am kan kire so waboka. But IMF for eno say no munya politics. O mu na bete to us say yaboka $1.7 billion. It no ho e ka no abeda ho no no ana Ghana for ya twene baaba ba yitu nsem na srani abasa ebi mu so born ebo good board say yan from Bank of Ghana because enye ono ana Ghana small no e Bank of Ghana small this epi obi ablemu na yemblemu Bank of Ghana bom when yemblemu good board meanwhile Bank of Ghana was running that program under the shadow of what gold board because a gold board won this kind of amount now I go to gold ni e de aba as I turn this car it is a car oka hu bi but some dem is enye ono a ana ade ba ye no Afenyo Markin ye minority that in parliament no also ahura gina unu say Ghana ha no ye call parliament house ekuo mienu ye dom kese ene dom kuma na edom kese ne de say omo ebe implementing government policies any ade na edom kuma so botai ne say ade bi a enkoye ewo aban na etie akonya so that time no party office no bibi kore se enkoye a omo bebo wachi ama Ghana for hu say party ne kura o ya ade ABC a entwa yi ediba say e ka ba ne say eye nice pa hot cake for minority Afenyo Markin ba aboso gina mu ayes na one sami jamfini o mama ka de asia ni pa pampa anye to kokuma na enam so e obusia enra Nana Jantuah e ko fa Maame Dufie ko Maame Dufie so show host wo once a panelist wo ahemfie TV na wo panelist wo hobby Nana Jantuah na between enkomo for gold board any the alleged $1.7 billion loss na abedam from obi atutu ne srani abasa de be na ho no and as out of nowhere just Maame Dufie adwalai say Afenyo Markin and then honde in fact ogina ansem no so ebedidi MPP mpanimfo nyina atem e ma Nana Jantuah so etumu nkyene
it is MPP anya careful forever they will remain in opposition because a new member nyina chese omuka se Ghana fo nim nyansa bi ma na and omuka se Ghana mabunu no omumpebra bi abo because yet abribia no ma babonte sadie we nya ade wo se ade politics ade we nya ade wo se politicizing in any way yentra se na yankase yenyusu ya adwene ne yehunu se baabia ne o mai koidie Ghana ye moka biem nana some years ago na ye to akukọ box no to ye de enim se de si to no but for a very long time nana da so gina hwa baby, even up to me cockra say be out of the door, up about 7, 8 crowd to me sromo. No masia to so the amount. But gone are the days now, not sanny many nana, obey to me a bobo and mammy that never a day, Okoton and Nadian Chunconia. It is any way na NPP among your say or Muntiasiana. And I see because some of them have the money. I'm bet me I told you I'm plenty. Yea, Ghanaian na yet to from no. Ye the end of your mum, my quine, say, ye above for me yet. Now I am a for no more canon. So some say, ye was sent can be an I see a quack was Seresica, ye quackoyella la sula lana, na ye Chiesicana, the current rate of the dollar no any each year. And then I sober from I didn't in a gun I'm paying for MPP for the young paying for MPP for any be a bro with him, sir. I told us almost as I said, or Munim Yansa be say, are we still children?
Yansa do money.
I want him Yansa and paying MPP paying for the brain and Yansa because I want him Yansa and come on, go to PhD. I know because I said the only open ones or the PhD a radio so. Okay, and I'm so be better than yesterday. But Mokuta certificate at Parliament on them. I've grown corner and no mudidi. Omunim sat every point in time betumi abegina ona o matum futu edi Ghana for any etam na omuma ye jimi no etwemo da bia na ye yanko ni asore gira asafu me yanko samra na etwemo ti se yetena se na se ye de sant enchechemu we e de abase o yenka no krenche Ghana for e car say ye Bank of Ghana the boy say gold board the boy at the end of the day no Ghana ya benefiting eti dia no mo ka chen Afenyo Markin onya concert na o te ono mo ye no Onya concert na or to parliament or yana or munina so and a minority leader grow rather me who be that. What Pia Babon no I say no munina dinati, no cotton from no so your concert are growing in issue. Ghana for your yini atras adiano. Ocean Yansa no munyadi or moyano, na your national young collabium. I did ask them no.
Utia Nana Jantuah sono jije ho ke kebika ho o munyansa just na o jije ho. What do you say? Because nwanwa Minim Nana Jantuah say odo Ghana, ojuno my Ghana nkoso. Maame Dufie say also pe Ghana sem, onye NDC ni. Odo so we neutral or pe Ghana nkoso. Adan na obi o pe Ghana nkoso. E kaba o minor boka $1.7 billion loss. Na obi ka ho asem say sika we ebetuma support o man Ghana. Ye den de kanaba munchire ya. Wo si nipa na onu busa da question onu na jim na woni munyansa. Wuni Maame Dufie to have empire adwuma wuni munyansa eya mo ye hu se muni munyansa da ene mabeda ne nkwasiafo mo ye se muni munyansa boro so nyansa bebrebe ebeda ne jimi o se wo do man Ghana kaba di obusa se eye de ne kaba ye no wajimi enti onu no mum na kwa attack na wuni munyansa wadwen adwuma mo jimi dodo eya mo ye mu se mutiti show so mo nko na se munim Ghana ha nyansa nyina ase mo nko munim Ghana ha nyansa nyina wa also do Ghana no anka wo kwa na busa question say de na ka ne buy ka ne free gold board Bank of Ghana mun kan mum na mun kire yemu anka this should be your statement but ono no busa no ono na wo mum okwa attacking there what about them complete why you nyaduma it's about time we tell you some of you people the truth I say mudi mo na bo mo safo hene ye mo say mo ye untouchable I say mo da bibia ba mo na munum nyansa mo nko na mo wa no e de kasa da bi enye mo nko munum nyansa some better can can kwase asem complete oh there be nya twom ne ye mo obi a so do man Ghana nya twom ne ye mo nya twom ne ye mo na we say community call ya ebufo ba media so kwa video be na ebufo aba but I no pay no ana no jajo hwe say there be man kan ye there be MB for mesere mo ada enkomo na Maame Dufie betino be di ye ne de mesere mo mfa nche na enye sara na ye pa akire
ye show ya himfie na menka nkyerɛw empanyufo tie enti wo ye MMDC na wonye wadwuma ye ne e ka asɛm a enye obi na bɛka kyerɛ president na anim enti nyame adom ene mo mpa mo na mama show ya ye show sɛ ye ka empanyufo etie no ma ye ho adwuma etore bia ye ka na ano ye din a mpanyifo nso frɛ say ye ne de ade aha enra miniamba Maame Dufie or keka kakra kyerɛ MPP for na te sɛ ensem adwobre sometimes na akoma no kosro adwobre. I take that responsibility. Nsem na no person oka no na enye saa na okyerɛ na okyerɛ sɛ MPP mpanyufo ni bi sebi nyoma na ekoso no omunhwe ye bebo bi akyerɛ mo ate ase but say kasa no ebro so a me take responsibility enye saa MPP for no ye were decent people in MPP, very decent people. Dodo na ye minianum enti momfa nche a part of your business no in some no the intention was not to insult anybody but ebroswa momfa nche. I take that responsibility na momfa nche kakra adwuma no sa netie ye ne mu ana yesa adwuma no
na Jantuah je se enye se de esi ti nsem no enye sa na opa akire we knew the area of catching or catching before it, but as of fact, and I'm commono and I go far and one no and some ye issue breaks. Also, I don't know one hospital there, the breaks in the senior blocks. You have breaks in the sea. I don't know about who for about so. Emma no was such and same cry on side.
Agenda 111. Me bought na kufa da basu was hard no. Say o yusu net koko and a ye. Nowadays bamboo. Oko Kenwe sinasefo ankofo ye bamboo technology. China fui, they can teach you proper bamboo technology. Simple. And ankofo nim say entinkame edum source no dodo na umusi no. Kay must. So umbeya ne breaks. Maybe a market will be ano. Unim. Because you do the research. Breaks a yen net koko dai blocks breaks no. Etimi resist fire.
Oh yeah. Because say yes, I research.
And nothing na phone no. Ye de net koko na ye phone no.
Okay.
Enti de tie ne se Nyankopon nyansem no ye na nanom ni nyansem. Nyankopon nyansem no ohun ni se phone no eje ka no kra na ne ho ye den. Sa no ye no. Enti net koko na ye na nam di si ye no. Eja ka ni mpo a ensei because why ye ne se eja ka no mpo a ne ho nya den. But ye blocks no ne iron rods no eja kana ebeye mre. This is something to we are buying. I will say ye ko intentionally all the affordable housing na beye net koko. Na wo ko galamsey site o matutu anwe egu ho ya net koko nko na wo ho. That is where we are buying o 24-hour economy no uko create industry. O create industry. Industry ni say galamsey site mrante na mu ni adwuma no me aban sa net kokon no ye betu ne de aye breaks ye wienso a ye bedua bamboo mpampro sa adwuma we mienu nko abema nkofo agya galamsey ye because every time bia no pampro ne ba betwa block ebe create adwuma amoma ye because Ghana hanso be bia net kokon wo ho Ghana ha bebia na te kokko ho enti na te kokko nya de a sebi eho na ye nananum kura na no mu ne afidie no omutu omude omunsa ekotete na te kokko na no mu di nsu afra no mu de afadan no ho ama bibia ye okay asem we obi tie ye empanyufo ye ade we ya ye kan mo beko kimpiski ni na sefo akwakotie obi anka bibia because real estate for no omunya sika. And two, the cement industry no a big industry. Me were building environment into minim they are making. Cement industries no omo tumi pa, omo sika pa. Enti sa alternative no e be den. Enti na me busa say aban se dodo na ni sika dia. Adenti na consciously o man crofo en improve net kokko no. Yenye calculations wa ha. Calculations no ne say obi yesi ontua let's say even 500 cedis a month. 500 cedis a month times 12 you saying 6,000. Are you saying 6,000? Yes, ontua 2 years in advance. That would be 12,000. Mumbai Mike.
12,000. And only 12,000 Ghana.
And near 12,000.
Yeah, 12,000. 2 years.
All right, 2 years. 12,000. Okay. A branch here, you try to get 2,000 a month. and calculation, simple calculations. A branch on the average, it's 2,000 a month. We say when they are 50 cedis a day.
Yeah. When they are
50 cedis a day.
Yeah.
Okay. Into 50 cedis a day, no, you turn 2,000.
Okay.
Into 50 times 7 days,
50 times
would be 350.
Yeah, 350.
350 a week. So 350 a week na OD. Yemfa say OD 50 cedis. I know it's more, but you 50. Into 350 cedis a week by 4. ASA
1,400.
1,400. 1,400 every 2,000.
Becca 600.
Becca 600.
600 cedis.
Okay. On the average, Ghana ni on the average, efa trotra, ASA
5 cedis.
5 cedis.
Short distance.
That is all.
Yeah.
It's Yemfa say or spend 10 cedis a day, which is not normal.
Yeah.
10 cedis a day. Into 10 cedis a day times 7 and also where saying
and only 70 cedis.
And where 70 cedis.
70 cedis.
Okay. Into 70 cedis times 4,
28.
280. It's a month for transport 280 no. And so enka 1,004 no.
That would be 1,680.
That would be 1,680. Okay. Into Akasen.
Aka
just
say ye 1,680 no.
Every 2,000.
Okay, 1,680.
Ebeka 320. Okay. Enti yemfa ne se bosome auto electricity 100 cedis.
So Ebeka no 220.
Ebeka no 220.
Data bundle by.
All right. Obeto data.
Data bundle by.
Emaye.
Onka nsuo so.
Nsuo
so ho
obet yeah.
And
na ye de a obekwa asori.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Obeto offering. Na say on average no Ghana ni bia disika chain ono ani sika.
Yeah, so.
And now o calculation we nyina so no factor in whether say wa ware ano ware.
Oh,
on say so factor in say
yeah.
On say
electricity man kan ye kra.
Abusia bebre mu no. We a Penyah na kra unuanom ne.
Just we ye de me kwa me kan
ya de o ma me 20 bi nya de.
Complete calculation why no.
We de kra de me
say as a single unit.
Okay, so me ye the single unit.
And the basic needs.
Single person. To say last 3 weeks na Kofi Nware ye no. Single person. Ono nkwa asem na making. But say na oba the wife abeka ho. E kire say be yetua Kofi ka yemfa say 3,000 na 4,000 enya de be so no.
No cry am any dog. Say there's actually a research on this, and I think last week baby cry me di ho komo kakra. A controller and accountant general saying averagely the public sector worker or Ghana hano earning 2,594 cedis a month and your net salary net yatiti BBA film snake the account basic salary a gross no averagely 3,000 tiabeti BBA the would be coffee in a friend and net salary 2,594
right.
What share real estate prices for Ghana ha?
Real estate here umasi dan sebeto.
Yes, and also a buono the average lowest from 80,000 to sometimes even $1 million. 80,000 here the friend 1 bedroom ne the
okay 80,000.
80,000 no crane depending on the area in the area now it's real estate but averagely 80,000. What do you not on China? So one kasana who see would die or Ghana ha 1 bedroom house a year cost between 250,000 1 bedroom to 3 bedroom. A shall say from 250,000 Ghana cedis
2.5 billion
about 1.5 million Ghana cedis
15 billion.
It depending area crona Usina, sa figure ya media 250,000. Assassin ankasa water no enka ho. I just build the keke.
And then so the assassin nyina ne nam 50 ne 100,000 in asefo.
So o share say obi AC dan ya. You say averagely no. Ghana ni say one na wo sinya real estate. One kasa na say take it between 5 years to 25 years for a Ghanaian salary worker, public sector worker to be able to build on no any fee in Tibia. What as you know, when you skaka crown or cotton cement, you know, I'm 5 years to 25 years.
And some
it depends on income or earning, sika or any amount.
Yeah.
See, I don't know other factors or money a share ya come to the conclusion 5 years to 25 years. First of all, family status. That's why a single person and I would dependence. Into no more dependence or or mommy you be me and son. A check and son or to me the salary no. If you are not even school fees, if you are not even sharing my be not better on Tadiamo mobility or more dependence according to the research by ISA no Institute of Statistics and Affairs no. Omo sanko for check and san omo tumi esi fie wi. But omo sika na yese ni na ba na mostly no omo share busua ni wi a kakra na ebeka no ebi no omo de koto saa ye friends saying cement ho ne ma ne de keka ho no. Now we sanko for ni wi a yese education also play a role in how long and I say how old obi betumi esi ono ani fie na obi betumi atofi. Yes, the average age yediwe tertiary institution teacher university 22 years Ghana. That is nipa school I say at the same age na educational in a setting.
Yeah.
To 22 years no. And also the average graduate every year Ghana produce 110 graduates across all the different tertiary institutions, universities, technical universities, teacher training colleges, nursing training, 110.
Yeah.
So 110. It take almost averagely. Yes, only 5% are able to find jobs between the first 2 years to the first 5 years. Only 5%.
And so be a university.
Yes, Owie University. Almost anymore between first 2 years to 5 years. Now just 5%. Until we say even you are not nurses, teachers, or music. We be at if you are not picket or Ministry of Health. Maybe account. 5 years. It be Juma. The averagely only 5% and the tuminya eduma within 2 years to 5 years. Now had you another 10% and the tuminya eduma between 5 years to 8 years. And a large portion of about 45% there.
Canada.
Like there isn't any definite set time.
Intimate was here. You will be or university 10 years.
Yes,
only a Juma yet.
Juma
Juma crowns will need in TIF. On say on maybe to say their friend menial jobs. If you move to me, if you know what is a construction, you are not formal employment. Yeah.
Or you are used to up to 10 years.
Only Juma.
Yes. Ow. Otifie on the name. This is your compare by day be no ha or the may patron tea. A Juma na oyeno. And then the qualification in him do konya wo school no. And yet they and only a friend under employment. The skill set I want and who Jumana, oh, you know,
Kausho certificate. KBA cry into 5,000 by a silver amount 1,000.
Tanity
into Virginia.
No skill set no and the benefits I've been with Juman so far. Now, and no. Yes, it's uncle for no moon to me a Jumana dear. The chances of someone between either SC or more die in their lifetime no, 0.011%. Our Ghana. The Institute of Statistics, Social and Economic Research. This research was done way back in 2023.
Now, the research
just 3 years ago.
And then
bonus and never lose. Now, I mean, the figures may even be higher. Now, the OG 2,594, which is the net basic salary. Controller and accountant general said public average public sector and this amount cash across baby or Japan teaching and a nursing salary no 2,594 Sadi Pania says oh see dying now say or the size you can in until audience say incomplete and just say young fan or the 2,594 every month be about or the call a dance CMA. A bit take his 11 years to build the house. Ghana. And then you said on finance and a
buyer now this
a bit taking 11 years using the 350,000 Ghana cities average. So wow, seniors walk real estate now and on any panel a bit taking 11 years. So imagine calculation how many years
so on unsi daya on say the issue of workmanship ase. Sa workmanship no kra ni timikum. Obi a we see the workmanship no. Eno nko a ye bibi enye materials na abeto no.
Workmanship.
Because to be a we share materials na abeto no kra de anka timi si dan no.
That's the point.
Now workmanship of some mason for ne contracts ne do meet me and no credit me kun. I told you I'm mason from Timika Munyai, with the Munya in Suo. Men would and Guso ne Jan say Mununa Mutuodino. Hey, workmanship credit me kun. So on the average, you ask yourself, say, the Etianica 2,000 a month, what the engine 2,000 a month times 12, you're saying.
2,000 a month
times 12
times
you say
12 a year 24,000
24,000
yes.
and no you say only say can okay and then asasi apesa woto on the average cry 50,000
yeah
sure. On the average cause 20 ni dey say bia du kromu nso ho ba bi ni na sefo
na no wonya wo na 2020 so wonya
yes
and che bia na me ne nkofo bi ko e kire ba bi just what you baby for that the intem.
I just want that the intem.
Baby, a kindness has on your cry. The home boy a coin. Now 40,000, 50,000.
I am for now a guy.
That's what you grab.
Maybe I make about an hour and a half drive from Kumasi. That is if traffic here. Now
so 50. Yanyan say 50,000.
Yeah, 50,000.
I am talking about somebody at 2,000 a month, only be.
Yeah.
When you're 24,000
a year.
It means that on the average, obey here 2 years plus.
Yes. And so with me at Tosa.
And so with me at do 50,000.
2 years no can do 50,000. Okay.
2 years plus.
So Yemfan said the Etuani cut 3,000, 312 you say. 36.
Yeah, 312.
Aha. Enti na say obi ono ye twa ne ka 3,000 won ni sa sika ni bi no obenya be 1 and some 8 months bi
ansan
watimi eno ye wato asase no okay de ye betu nyambai ne sa nyoma no kra basic nyambai so the point is that on the average
and already documentation
and no
documentation is ska komu pa so
surveyor
it's actually lease
easy okay enti yen hwe on the average say you obi ka yen fan say dey about 3,000 poa na you say on the average uhia 250,000 asase nyambai na say dey asase 50,000 ka ho a uhia 300,000 3 billion wo dey wanye 3 billion so odi besi dai na dey etua ne ka 3,000 no yen calculated the number of years 3,000 be man na say wenya 3 billion
3 billion I thought wenya 350 no
300,000 say fan say or pay 3 billion
3,000 me boy
3,000 e be e chan ka 3,000 you year free 2,000 ko 2,000 e dey emfa aha enti yen hwe 3 say
oh here 100 months
100 months.
Yeah, now which mean 3 billion. Not just say no. Sa salary 3,000 Ghana cedis. Nya dia obey 1 peso akra e free so.
Oh yeah 100 months inti
100 months.
Mun divided by 12.
Who divide 100 months by 12?
By 12.
That's like 8 years.
8 years.
8 years.
Inti nipa no so on the dia 3,000 ye de mana na. Obenya 8 years. 8 years say osori anopo obanum nsuo.
Na nsuo no kra yeto.
Na nsuo kra sa obeto.
Na nsuo yeto na
nsuo kra obeto.
Ebia na busiafo be man nsuo kakra. It means that nipa kra na wo so otususu 8 years.
Yes, 8 years. And some with.
Abusia say wo tie mi a ye de bofoma mo hu the reality. And until me who say MPP and NDC for a wasted time discussing something that is not relevant. Na makoma yemi ya. Because an kame expect to say MPP and NDC fui. They na gold body for hani na sefui and can no pay housing issues and a more discussing. Because who tie the minister can ya
Ubeto atrewa adwen dia mame e wo comment section. How you Penyah Block Media.